Today's hot topic is the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25, a major rumor surrounding its processor. Buckle up, because things might be about to change for Samsung's flagship phone. So the rumor mill has been churning out a lot of Galaxy S25 leaks lately. We've heard whispers about an IMEI listing, a possible camera upgrade for the Ultra model, and even some pricing speculations. But today's news is a doozy. It dives into the sensitive world of chipsets. According to the well-respected tech insider Ming-Chi Kuo, Qualcomm could be the exclusive supplier of processors for the Galaxy S25. This is a big shift, considering in the past Samsung used its own Exynos chips in some regions for its flagship phones, with Snapdragon chips powering models in other areas. Now, this news might surprise you. After all, there have been complaints about Exynos chip performance in past flagships, even leading to petitions from disgruntled users. But here's the twist. Kuo suggests Samsung's decision isn't about Exynos performance falling short this time. Apparently, the reason for the potential All-Snapdragon lineup boils down to manufacturing difficulties. Samsung was expected to equip the Galaxy S25 with its next-gen Exynos 2500 chip alongside the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in certain markets. However, Kuo claims Samsung's yield rate for the 3-nanometer process used in the Exynos chip is lower than anticipated. In simpler terms, they're facing challenges in producing enough functional Exynos chips. This shift to All-Snapdragon could have some ripple effects. First, it would be a big win for Qualcomm and TSMC, the company solely manufacturing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Rumors suggest this new Snapdragon chip will be pricier than its predecessor, potentially boosting profits for both Qualcomm and TSMC. The big question mark here is the impact on Galaxy S25 pricing. If the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is indeed more expensive, will Samsung raise the MSRP of the S25 series to compensate? It's unclear at this point. Remember, this is still a rumor, so take it with a grain of salt. But considering Ming-Chi Kuo's strong track record, there's a good chance the Galaxy S25 might ditch Exynos altogether and go full Snapdragon. So what do you guys think? Would an all-Snapdragon Galaxy S25 be a good or bad move? Did you ever have issues with Exynos chips in past Samsung phones? Let us know in the comments below and smash that like button if you're excited about the upcoming S25. We'll keep you updated on any further developments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and discussions. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser-focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this, a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware, thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16GB RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GHz. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080 resolution and 60 FPS, a dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice. raise prices across the board, or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure, the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.